Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about Destructor in C++ programming. Destructor works opposite of the constructor and it is used to delete or free up the resources held by one object of the class. And the syntax of Destructor is, first you have the tilde sign, then the class name, and then we have one pair of parentheses. And after that we have one pair of curly braces, inside of which we write the code for our destructor. And the destructor does not take any arguments, and also it has no return type, not even void. Like an example, here we have one destructor called student, which does not take any argument, and also it does not have any return type, not even void. And the destructor is called automatically when one object goes out of the scope, and the destructor should be declared in the public section of the class. So in this example program we have one class called student, and under the public access specifier we have one constructor. So whenever we create one object, the constructor will be invoked and it should print the string constructor invoked. And now we are going to create one destructor in this program. So the destructor starts with the tilde sign and then the name of the class, and after that we have one pair of curly braces, and inside of which we are going to write the code for our destructor. So whenever the destructor is invoked, we are going to print the string destructor invoked. So now inside the main method I'm going to create one object of the student class s1. So whenever we create one object, the constructor of the class will be invoked and it should print the string constructor invoked. And after that, whenever the object goes out of the scope, then the destructor will be automatically invoked by the compiler and it should print the string destructor invoked onto the console. So I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program. And you can see the output. First we have the string constructor invoked, and then it has printed destructor invoked. So to create one destructor in the program, first you have the tilde sign and then the name of the class, and inside the curly braces we write the code for our destructor, which will be invoked whenever one object goes out of the scope. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.